walking into the foyer, I designed this beautiful wall inspired by nature, my love for nature and love for the way the earth kind of works. And this is inspired by a great fault line, or during an earthquake when there's a fault line and the two plate tectonics shift, you have an opening and you have the starting of the bubbling of the lava, movement. Touched by glass beaded arte wall covering. And then we cladded the elevators in a brass finish to incorporate and to follow through on the design. Then over here, I incorporated a beautiful holly hunt console table and a lily mirror from Boca do Lobo in Portugal. And I accentuated it with the lavender and deep purple colors that I thought would give a pop to this foyer. And from this foyer, I created these doors that were partial glass and partial veneer. So it kind of gives you a transparency into the design of the rest of the great living area or living space.